Insert a pin into your faucet and it will work wonders. If the water from your faucet flows weakly, this pin trick will come in handy. The aerator or the tap strainer in your faucet gets clogged with deposits and minerals. Limescale builds up, which you can see if you look at the bottom of the faucet. The entire tap strainer is surrounded by limescale, which can vary in color depending on the cleaning products you use for your bathroom fixtures. When this happens, the water flow from the faucet weakens. But a simple trick with a pin can change that. If you have a faucet like this, take a screwdriver and remove the aerator. Each aerator is installed differently, so first, check how yours is mounted. Once you unscrew it, you'll likely see pieces of limescale and various deposits in the sink. These fall out during the removal process. You'll also see quite a bit of limescale and dirt on the aerator itself. First, soak the aerator in vinegar, then clean it using a pin. Simply insert the pin into the small holes in the tap strainer to unclog them and remove the limescale. This will clear the tap strainer of all impurities and dirt. The aerator will now function properly. Screw the aerator back on and turn on the water. You'll notice the difference immediately, all without needing a plumber.